Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you open Blender and it says a graphics card and driver with support for OpenGL 4.3 or higher is required. So how you can fix your problem, let's get started. First open any browser you like and then search for OpenGL 32.dll. Then when you are on DLL files, just click on this and here scroll down a bit. Now just click on this download button. Once you do this, you'll notice that it will download a zip file. Just extract this zip file and you'll find the DLL file. Just copy and paste it into your directory of Blender and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.